As the stock market crashes, many people are scared to buy stocks now. However, today, we discovered a few wealthy investors buying ARM holdings. So in this video, we'll share their options trades, which could be a smart move during these turbulent times. So without further ado, let's dive into the data as usual. As we can see here on the option time and sales tape, we have these December 18, 2026 options. So these are leap options that expire more than a year away. We can see 110 strike calls and the 115 strike calls. Now notice that these three trades were being done at different times. So these could be three different investors, or it could be the same wealthy investor. But we do know the value of their trades because we can see the price that was paid here. And if we calculate the total trade cost, for example, this one right here, 48.15. And so we multiply by 100 since each option represents 100 shares of stock. So it costs $4,815 for each call option. And since this had 1,515 call options, number of contracts, this trade costs $7.2 million. And you can see that the other trade here was also about the same quantity, 1,525. The price was also about the same, and over here as well. This trade over here is a different strike price, but you can see that they paid about the same because ARM was trading a little higher at 113 when this trade was executed. Okay, and that is why the price was about the same. It fell down to 110 here and towards the end of the day. And so when we take a look at the chain for these options, these expire 865 days away. These are leap options, and you can see at the 110 strike calls, we are also in the same position, and that is why there is a POS, which represents position, and it is green because we are also buying these call options to open. We know these are opening trades because the open interest is much less than the number of contracts that were being traded at the volume today. But keep in mind, this is a higher risk trade in comparison to the trades that we share on our website. If you are interested in the higher probability of profit trades, we'll put a link at the top here where you can gain access to the trades based on our analysis of what the wealthy investors or potential insiders are buying or selling. Now for this trade, they were buying the 110 strike calls for 48.15 as we had just calculated. And when we analyze this trade, you can see that this is clearly a long bullish trade because on the x-axis of this risk profile profit loss graph is the share price of ARM stock currently trading right here. And so as the share price goes up, you can see these options become more positive in value, so that is more profits. If it goes down, it is a negative loss. We can also see that this is a long bullish trade because when we take a look at the Greeks, the delta here is a positive number. If it was a short bearish position, it would be a negative delta. Now keep in mind that the break even on this trade is quite high. You can see here at expiration is over here, which means that at expiration, ARM Holdings stock has to trade above this share price here, which is about $158 per share, for these options to be profitable at expiration. Okay, that's the key word here, because it could actually start to become profitable immediately. We do not necessarily have to wait until expiration, until the year 2026. You can see that on the purple line, it starts to become profitable right away. So if we start to move up immediately, you can see the profits gaining very quickly. And so the time decay on this trade, which actually reduces the profit potential on this trade, goes down because of the negative theta on these call options, which is shown over here, a negative 2.61 theta on these options. So be aware of the risk involved with trading options. Let us know in the comments below. Do you think this is a good opportunity to buy ARM stock while the market is crashing? Do you think it'll go up, or do you think it will crash down further? And remember, this is a higher risk trade because we are in a major market correction or potential crash. And so if you want access to the lower risk, higher chance of profit trades, then make sure to go to our website, where we share this type of analyses on the stocks that wealthy investors are trading or potential insiders. And we share our option strategies that reduce risk while increasing profits. As usual, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Take care and have a great day.